something a bit different from what I usually do. So I'll be making a game. I'll be challenging myself to make a game within 15 minutes. So I've seen many other developer YouTubers doing this challenge, and I thought it would be cool if I did this to assess my own skills and make some good content on the way. So the way this is going to work is obviously I have to make a fully functional game in 15 minutes, and then um, I can only use free models from the toolbox if it doesn't have a script in it. So I have to script the entire game myself, and if there is a script inside of it, I have to remove the script because this is predominantly a scripting channel, so I want to do all the scripting by myself. So yeah, the game idea is basically a capture the flag game, and in this case, a capture the block because it's easier to finish within 15 minutes. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this challenge. So timers on the top right, and let's begin. So first of all, obviously I want to have a place where players spawn when they first join the game. This is the lobby, so make it white and then name it lobby. I'm gonna have a spawn on top of it, so this is where players spawn. And then I'm gonna go down here and then game:get service teams. So we're gonna have two teams. Insert a team and another team. So this is gonna be red, and then this is gonna be blue. So the classic red and blue team setup. I'll just make it team colors match. And then now I'm going to make a map. Well, it's not actually a map, it's just, part. Okay. Because, we're on time crunch, you have to compromise something in your game. So this is where the red team spawn, and that's where the blue team spawn. So this, let me see, where is it? Okay, neutral, false, this is blue, and I'll make it blue, so blue team players spawn here, and red team players spawn here. Make it red. And neutral equals false. Blue, auto assignable false. Red, auto assignable false. I'm gonna have one more team, which is lobby, and then auto assignable true. So that's basically, yeah, our map. And then now I'm going to have the block. I'll just do this for now. Okay, well, this is part of block. I can't spell things. Okay, this is block. We're gonna have a click detector inside of it. And then I'm gonna duplicate it. I'm gonna move it all the way over here, and then turn it into a blue team block. So blue team block. And then we're gonna have accessories, so that we can put it on top of a player when they click on the part. So I'm gonna go to workspace and add an accessory. Let me check how much time I have. 12. Okay, this is not good. Okay, let me put this inside of the accessory and name it blue. Name it handle. And then I can turn this blue and then add an attachment. This is, let me see, insert a rig. Close it, quick. Insert a rig builder, quick. Rig builder, let's go. Okay, and then dummy, right hand, okay, right grip attachment. So I'll name it right grip attachment. Okay. There we go, that's the accessory, name it blue part. Now we can duplicate it, move it away. Okay, this one, name it red part. Red, okay. So we got the blue and red. Okay, this is the accessory, so I have to put the accessory inside of this. So I'll name it red giver. So put the red part inside of the red giver, over here. And then I'll put the blue part inside of the blue part giver, which is, where is it? Oh, it's just block. Blue giver. Okay, now I'm gonna get to the scripting. I'll script this first. So, oh wait. So whenever someone clicks on this part, I'm gonna give them the accessory if they don't have one, if they're of the opposite team. So local giver equals to script.parent, and then local cd equals to giver dot click detector, and a cd.mouse_click connect function. So this is the player that clicked. So let me see. Okay, so the part team color first. Team color. So the team color of the part equals to giver dot team dot brick color. Okay, and then so if player dot team color is different than the team color of the part, then if player find first child blue part equals nil, so if they don't already have a part, then we're going to accessory local accessory equals to giver dot blue part. So player dot humanoid colon add accessory, I believe, is the correct. No, player dot character dot humanoid. Player dot character dot humanoid colon add accessory and accessory. So that's basically all we have to do for this one. And then I can duplicate the script, and I'll just put it inside of the red giver, and I'll change a few things inside of here. So accessory equals to red part. This one red part. So if they don't have the accessory, we'll give them the accessory. Okay, this can go somewhere else for now. This can go somewhere down here. It doesn't really matter. It'll just add anyways. Okay, now we'll do this one. Spawn location. This will actually be the bases. So script.parent.touch, or actually do base equals script.parent team color equals to base.brick color. Ignore my capitalization, it's not that good right now. Base.touched colon connect function hit. So if hit.parent colon find first child humanoid, if it's a actual player, then if player equals to game colon get service players colon get player from character hit.parent. So local. So if player, then if player dot team color equals to team color, so this time it has to be equal to the base. Then if hit.parent colon find first child what's it called, red part. Wait, this is the red base, so blue part. So it has blue part. Then if the player has the block, then actually we're gonna have scores. So I'll put it in replicated storage. Int value red score, and then duplicate, we have blue score, and then yeah, so red game replicated storage. I also realized I forgot to put local on the first two, but it doesn't matter. Replicated storage dot red score plus equals to 1, and then yeah, that's one of the scripts. I can duplicate it and put it inside of the other one. Okay, this time it will be red part, then blue score plus 1. So I think that's the first part. I have 6 minutes left. I'll pause that and I'll do a little test on it to see if everything works. So I'll play here. I guess. I think everything's unanchored. That's a big mistake. Okay, wait, let me stop this first. Intermission. So I'm going to anchor everything. Okay, and then anchor it. So I'll unanchor these because you can't have the accessories anchored. Alright, after that I'll do the test. Okay. Play here. Let's go. Okay, I'm inside the game and I'm now in the team of the lobby, so I can change it by going here. Let me change my team first to wait for this to load. Okay, go to players, me, go down and change this to, I'll do blue team first, okay? So I'm now blue team, as you can see on the top, and now let me just go get some blocks from the other team. Oh my god, that is not good. Okay, let me just go get some blocks from this team, so it's this one. I'll click on it and see if it works. Oh yeah, it works. So I have a block on my hand now. So now just move myself to the other side and see if it gives us a point or not. Let's go. Okay. I think it does, and I just forgot to delete the part. Okay, the current cannot. Okay, that's a bit of an issue. Let's see. What's that? I don't have any local scripts. What's this? Oh, I think it's from a plugin. But anyways, let's see if we got any score. Let's see this one. Red score. No, we didn't get any score. What? Okay, that's a bug. I'll fix it soon. So we have 6 minutes left from what we did last, from where we ended. So yeah, let's continue this challenge. Let me just get my timer back. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. So there's the bug. Let's see how to fix it. Okay, so I know, dot value. I forgot about that. Okay, dot value plus equals to 1, and then we're gonna delete hit dot parent dot red and dot red part colon destroy. So we don't want to have destroy. Okay, now which script is this again? This one? No, it's the other one. So delete this, duplicate this, put it in here, and then this is a red team. So there's blue part, red score, and then blue part dot destroy. So that's very good. Now we can do the main script logic. Let's go down here to the main script logic. Let's make a script. So while true, while true do. So we're gonna have 15 seconds of intermission between rounds, and then after 15 seconds for I in range. Wait, no, not for I in range. Okay, after 15 seconds. Okay, actually, I'm defining players. Local players equals to game colon get service players, and then for I in players and pairs. Players colon get players do. So if I dot character, then if I dot character dot humanoid root part, then and then I dot okay, if math dot random 1 to 2 equals to 1. I've been doing too much Python recently. I've been typing a lot of colons. So if it's 1, then we're gonna put in blue team. So I dot team color equals to brick color dot new dot not random dot new very wait no blue really blue, not very blue, not blue, just one. Thank you. Okay, so I dot team color, and then I dot character dot humanoid root part dot position equals to. I'm going to do something about this. name this. Okay, wait, no, this is lobby. Name this red spawn, and then name this blue spawn. How much time do I have left? I have 3 minutes. This is not good. Equals to blue spawn equals to workspace dot blue spawn dot position plus vector 3 dot new 040, so they fall on a bit, and then else I'll just copy this thing so I don't have to write it again. Copy and paste. Okay, really red. And then red spawn. Red spawn. And then after that, we're going to do game.replicated storage.red_value equals to 0. Game.replicated storage.blue score.value equals to 0. And I'm gonna wait. I'll do 2 minutes a game, and then print. Wait, no. If game.replicatedStorage.redScore.value is greater than. I know this is a bad thing to do when you're scripting, but I didn't think it out before. So .value, then print red wins, and then else if game.replicatedStorage.redScore.value is smaller than game.replicatedStorage.bluescore.value, then print blue wins, and then else print draw, and then for player in game players get player.team color equals to brick color.new medium stone gray. Okay, that should be everything for this script. I have 1 minute left. So in this last minute, I'm going to create the touch to kill script for I in pairs script.parent get children do not the again if I is a base part, then I.touched connect function hit if hit.parent find first child humanoid at 26 seconds, then hit.parent humanoid.health equals to 0, and hit.parent is not equal to script.parent, so we don't kill ourselves. Okay, I think that should be it, except if friendly fires, but I don't have the time to make it up, like add another if statement. We literally have 1 second left, and there we go. The game ends. So, let's test it out. I mean, yeah, okay. So, I actually have to run a server to test this out, but let me do the 1-player version first. I'll just click play here and see what happens. Oh, what I just realized, I was testing for, there was a problem with the server script, and I was testing it for a very long time, and then I found out the problem, and it's a very stupid one that I put in server storage. So scripts don't run in server storage. They only run in server script service, so I think I meant to put it in there, but I just clicked somewhere else, and it just, did some stupid debugging over here, printing yes, and then, I shortened it to 10, and then I waited until enough players joined. I should do 1, but I'll do single player testing right now. But yeah, that was really stupid. I should put in server script service all the time. Okay, so I'll just click play and see if it works this time. I hope it does. So I have to wait for 10 seconds for the intermission time, and then wait for the teleportation. Oh yeah, I teleported here, and I'm on the red team. So I'll just use the speedrun moving thing. Fast, okay. Let's go. Speedrun moving. So I'm over here now, and then I can click on this to get a blue part on myself. And now I'll move back to the red part. Oh, I missed it. Okay, red part. Yeah, it deletes it, and then let's see if my score increases. So yeah, red score +1. That is great. And now let me try the touch to kill thing real quick. Let's see then if I go over here, and then I didn't add like a friendly fire thing to this, so I might just like, oh, you see, if I touch someone, they die, so it can be used to like block the enemy teams from, you know, getting your blocks. So yeah, and then there's also like after 120 seconds, I'll teleport back. Actually, I won't teleport back. I forgot to add that, but I'll be placed back in the lobby team. So now I'll just add some final touches. Not some final touches, fix some issues. And then one thing I realized is that when I add accessory, I didn't duplicate it, so this accessory just goes straight like to my arm, and then no one else is gonna have this accessory anymore. So what I'm gonna do to that is I'll go to one script, and then over here I'll do accessory, new accessory equals to accessory : clone. I always forget to add local. Maybe because I've been in like a programming class for Python. You don't have to add local in there, and I just always forget to do that in Roblox now. So new accessory, and I'll do new accessory. So there's always an accessory available for cloning, and then I can just and like the script can just get the new one. Let's see. I'll put that in the red giver as well. I'll delete this original script, and red part. Okay, so that's that, and then for the server script, I should teleport everyone back to the original player.character.humanoid root part.position equals to spawn location workspace spawn location.position plus vector3.new 050. So yeah, I know that this script looks really horrible with, you know, all these references like not using variables, but yeah, I was under time pressure, so I couldn't really like think through which variables I wanted to use. So it ended up being pretty messy, but I think for 15 minutes that's not bad. Is a pretty big of a time crunch. And yeah, I hope you guys learned something during this video. I know it's a bit rushed, but I tried to explain everything at the end. So maybe I'll publish this place and link it in the description below. Don't expect it to be there right away. I might do some polishing work before I put it up there. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.